Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Detroit. Today we have a little bit different video in the fact that I am going to be recording a session while I walked through Detroit instead of while I rode my bike. And today it was the last snow day, or at least I think the last snow day of spring 2022, and until basically the end of the year, around maybe November or whatnot. Statistically speaking, the last snow of the season is in April, so that checks out. And we actually really haven't had a whole lot of snow. I'm pretty sure the last actual snow, like where it actually went on the ground and whatnot, was about a month and a half ago. So right at the beginning of March. But here we are, and also the forecast for the upcoming week is quite a bit warmer in 70s Fahrenheit, which is about like 21 Celsius. And so yeah, let's just take a look at a couple neighborhoods in Detroit and how it looks in the snow, basically. Now, I guess I'm kind of weird in a way, you could say, because when I was actually kind of shocked that it was snowing as much as it was. You can literally see some of these, some of the snow falling on the camera, which is pretty cool. I'm someone who actually gets excited for the snow, and I was like, okay, this would be a cool video to showcase what is likely the last day of snow for maybe like 7 months. And I guess like other people, would like be, staying more inside, and I just, put on a little coat and head out. Now we're going to be going to a park, and I'm going to be taking a walk through the snow there. So we'll get some close-ups on that. And I really like the zoom, honestly, on this camera. As I was like recording it, or it doesn't look great on the little screen while I'm holding the camera, but when I'm actually seeing it on the computer screen, it looks a lot better. And not much more I could ask for, especially for a very cheap camera, $100 action cam. But anyways, I'm gonna go head towards the play structure. Oh yeah, let's go down the slide. Whee! Just kidding. Not today. Not today, my friends. I just don't want to get my butt wet, That's not fun. Here's a random church that I passed by. And here's some of the plants in front. I wanted to get close-ups of these plants just because I'm kind of in the market for some plants, like some little bushes like that to go in my front yard, because like the plants that I have literally die in the snow. So I'm looking for like an evergreen sort of thing that can survive freezing temperatures and just not require a whole lot of work. So let me know if you know anything about that. There was a bird scooter, which I believe you just download the app for that and you can rent that scooter and just ride around in Detroit. And now we're heading to a street that has, and basically an area that has a lot of abandoned houses. So I'm going to be walking up to one right now and just show you what it looks like close up. And there's some trash around the house. You'll see that sometimes, especially with the abandoned properties. There's junk on the porch and whatnot, and the door is, I think, missing there, or it might be boarded up or whatnot. Definitely missing some windows up top. But also, like, if you do see like pictures of Detroit and there's like trash in front of houses, that's not always just because like people just left that for however long or it's abandoned. That could just be because like that's literally what you do in Detroit. Like every other week, there's bulk pickup, and so like you literally just like you could put like doors, chairs, like literally bulk stuff, and you just put it out in front of your house. So sometimes it's actually just like blight and whatnot, but other times it's literally, oh, like, yeah, they're gonna pick this up next week or something like that. Anyways, here's another park. And this area, has the abandoned houses. So not the best neighborhood, honestly, in the city. More abandoned houses than definitely most neighborhoods in Detroit. It's more of just like a business spot. There's a bunch of like semi trucks that, load and unload stuff here in the area. And I don't really know what I was trying to do there. I definitely wasn't trying to dunk the camera in the basketball hoop. That's definitely not what I was trying to do. That would not be great. Now I just follow the footprints here. That looks like someone took a walk as well. And honestly, some of these zooms, it looks like it's VR almost, to where it's like your actual eyes and you're just looking around. Which, I mean, that's kind of cool. Here's another abandoned house. This one definitely does have a door. It's just boarded up. Or maybe it definitely, I don't know if it actually has a door, but at least has a piece of wood in the frame. It's actually unfortunate that the next house, not this one, but like there's one after it, that is actually some really good footage. Side note, like this right here, this is going to be the 26-mile greenway that goes around the entire city of Detroit. So that's the progress. It's not, they just really just cleared a dirt path for it. But as I was talking about, like the abandoned house, like you could see into the back room and whatnot. So, I mean, unfortunate. Maybe I'll get some footage of that in the future. But it just didn't work out. I thought I pressed record, but it was actually stop recording. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy the short just stroll through some neighborhoods in Detroit. We're back to a really good neighborhood over here. And I think I'm going to do like a video on how I survived the winter in Detroit. And so if you want to stay tuned for that, because I am from Northern California and I've never really experienced snow, at least at my house. And so that's something you want to check out. Turn on notifications, subscribe, hit the like button if you did enjoy this video. And if you want to see some more stuff about Detroit and other travel videos and geography type videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out.